Hello Fumari fans, it's Elo, and today we'll learn how to keep a harsh hookah from happening. Burning a bowl can happen to the best of us at one point or another. But fear not, because we're here to help you identify all the signs of when a hookah overheats. Telltale signs your bowl is overheating. Your flavor tastes inaccurate or burnt. To me, honestly, it tastes a little more on the sour side. It is very hot to smoke, clouds are wispy, and session duration is shortened. Now let's dive into those preventative measures that'll guarantee you a smooth and enjoyable session each time. Check for the proper packing method. Having the proper packing method for the tobacco you're using is the most important step in preventing your hookah from overheating. It's your foundation, and without a good pack, all the other tips I'm going to give you in this video aren't going to work. The right pack ensures proper airflow and heat distribution amongst the leaf. All we want to do is heat the tobacco and its juices just enough to release smoke, not actually burn the tobacco. A common mistake is overpacking your bowl with the tobacco. Overpacking doesn't allow the tobacco to breathe properly, and it creates direct contact with the heat, which causes the tobacco to literally burn. Use the right amount of hookah charcoal. If you use too many coals on top of your bowl, it's a very sure way to burn it. No proper packing method or no amount of heat management is going to save that bowl. The amount of charcoal needed for a session depends on a couple of factors. When you're using Fumari tobacco, a safe place to start is with 3 large coconut coals when using foil and 2 if you're using a heat management device like the Cloud Lotus. As your session progresses, your coals will become smaller and provide less heat. Be sure to add coals as needed. If you're using smaller sized coconut cubes, like the Fumari Fuoco 22mm cubes, you can safely start with an extra piece of coal. Check out the chart on the screen. Heat manage your bowl throughout the session. Every hookah bowl needs tender loving care to be consistent during your entire session. Coal placement and adjustments are important to avoid hookah harshness and to keep your hookah smoking properly. With foil, you'll want to place your coals in a triangle formation at opposite corners of the bowl. If it becomes too cool, bring the coals in a bit more. If it starts getting hot, pull some heat away by bringing them more towards the edges of the bowl or even removing a coal. Don't be afraid to have them hanging slightly off the edge. Perfecting hookah takes practice. And yes, sometimes we all hit the point of no return where a burnt bowl cannot be revived no matter how many adjustments we make. However, you'll be sure to improve your chances of preventing a harsh hookah if you follow the steps on this video. We hope you found this information helpful. My name is Elo, and we'll see you in the next one.